Ever wrestled with the complexities of iterating over iterable objects in JavaScript? It can be a bit of a head-scratcher, right? Thankfully, JavaScript provides a neat little tool to help navigate this process. The for of loop. To understand this, imagine a collection of items. It could be a string, an array, a map, a set, essentially anything that's iterable. The for of loop is your ticket to smoothly iterate over these objects, element by element, without getting tangled up in indices or keys. So what does a for of loop look like? Picture this. You write for followed by parentheses. Inside these parentheses, you declare a variable. This will represent the current element value as you loop through. Next, you write of, followed by your iterable object. Finally, you add curly braces, and within these you write the code block to be executed for each iteration. Consider a basket of fruits represented as an array: apple, banana, orange. You want to list out each fruit. Here's how a for of loop can help. You declare fruit as your variable and fruits as your iterable. Then you instruct the loop to console.log each fruit. As a result, each fruit in your basket is printed out one by one. No need to deal with indices. No need to get your hands dirty. But what about other iterable objects? Say a string. Absolutely. A for of loop works there too. Take the string hello. Using a similar structure as before, each character of hello is output one by one. However, there's a caveat. The for of loop does not work with plain objects, those that aren't iterable. So, if you've got an object with properties you want to iterate over, it's time to switch gears and use a for in loop instead. In a nutshell, the for of loop is a nifty tool for dealing with collections of data where you're interested in values rather than their indices or keys. It's concise, it's straightforward, and it's ready to make your JavaScript journey a whole lot smoother. So next time you're faced with an iterable object, remember the for of loop. It's a game changer.